This video explains how to use the electric oven, which is located underneath the hob and extractor fan. If you find that the oven is not on, please refer to the switch here. This is the cooker switch. Make sure it's pushed down so the button is on. You'll find the oven has two knobs. The one on the left at 12 o'clock is for the oven to be off. Turn it to the right and this just activates the light. And then you have heating top and bottom, have a grill function, and you have heating just at the bottom. To set the temperature, you just turn this dial and then that will activate the oven. So you can go up to 250 degrees. Turn off by putting all the pointers to the 12 o'clock position. And that's how to use the oven. Thank you.